What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. Today we are not doing an art therapy session, but we are going to be unboxing my new book. That's right, my new Mandala book has arrived, and we are going to be unboxing it for the first time and checking it out and seeing how it's looking. So what were you all waiting for, folks? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and good weekend, and you had a lovely Easter. I nearly said Christmas and a lovely Easter. Oh, at least Easter was a couple of weeks ago. No, it was last week. How was your Easter? Hope you had a good one. And it was all good, and you had lots of Easter eggs. And I think I mentioned this last week, but anyway, let's roll back to the beginning again. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and a good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a life coach and sketch artist. I draw people's portraits for them to photorealism using graphite pencil, whether it's their family members, their cats, dogs, any of their pets, anything like that, for birthdays, any type of gifts. If you want to be getting me to do any sort of portraits for you, check out my website, www.romeosketches.co.uk. You'll be able to see all my testimonials on there and all the work that I have been creating for my clients as well. And I'm also a life coach. I help people to remove past trauma, focus on their careers, help them to believe in themselves using art therapy sessions, Mandala drawings, Zentangle patterns. The sessions that I do are different to the videos that I create. I create art therapy videos which help you to relax, help you to focus. You can follow along to them. Very easy to do. Anyone can draw them, especially the Zentangle patterns. And they just help you to... Oh, they also give you better sleep patterns as well. I also put up on a Wednesday Mandala drawings. I've been drawing some really cool dot Mandala drawings as well. If you haven't checked out any of my videos, here is a link to go and check out some of those. Or if you're following me on TikTok, I've also been uploading some really cool short clip videos of a lot of the dot work that I have been creating. I'm getting more into the dot side of doing Mandala drawings and just sort of progressing in through that. It does take a little bit of patience to do those, and can go a bit cross-eyed and a little bit blind from doing all those dots, but they're so worth it, and they create a really nice image and pattern on these Mandala drawings. And another thing, I'd like to say a big thank you to all my subscribers at the moment. I've had a sort of little bit of a big boost on a lot of subscribers at the moment, which is absolutely fantastic. I don't know how you guys have seen my videos or where you guys have come from or anything like that, but it's absolutely brilliant to have you guys on board. I'm so chuffed to have these new subscribers, people sort of watching my content now. And slowly I'm starting to build up my subscribers now and everything, so it's absolutely fantastic. Well, I would like to know those guys that have subscribed to me, in the last week or so. How did you guys find me? Where did you see my work? Was it on Instagram, TikTok? Was it on here? Did you come across it on YouTube? Let me know in the comments below. Would love to know how you guys came across my channel. Most of all, though, thank you very much for subscribing. It means a great deal to me. Thank you very much indeed. And yes, moving on to today's video, we are opening up my new book that came in the post the other day. It is already open, so I have already opened it as well. But in the video, you are going to be seeing the actual... so in the video, you are going to be seeing me opening up my book for the first time, seeing what it looks like, checking out the cover, the interior, quality of the book, and just seeing how it's all looking. So what were you waiting for, folks? Let's roll the video. So here we have it, everyone. I've been waiting for this. So this is my new... I've not even opened this up yet, so I have no idea what it looks like. So this is my new Mandala book, Easy Mandala art book with its templates. I'm going to open it up right now, see how it's looking. Been waiting for this for a couple of weeks now. So I created this book myself on for my KDP Amazon account. I've got quite a few books on there. I've already did one once before, but this one's got different. This one has different templates in there, so you can draw mandalas much more easier. Wow, so let's just get rid of that. Here we have it, Easy Mandala book. Brilliant looks so good. front, back. Let's have a look at the pages inside. So you've got all different, this is so nice. They're nice big pages. I'm just going to pop that there. So you've got some nice big pages in here. A nice little introduction there. So these are the templates that you're going to be drawing on. Draw your little mandalas in here. Draw as many as you. I've got a playlist on my YouTube channel where you can follow along and draw your own mandalas as well. So you can fill that in, and you can cut along with a scalpel just along the side here, or with a pair of scissors. Cut that out, and then you can hang it up. We've got some grid pages on this side here, so you can practice all your petals on there. I've got playlists on my YouTube channel as well to show you how to do that. And we've got all these different types of layouts in here that you can draw your mandalas in. So you can draw a nice half circle one, write a nice little quote on the side. And you've got half circle ones as well, nice little quote in there, or do some more other designs and patterns coming off of that. And you've got your grid references on the side there. So I've done these on individual pages, so you can either keep that side or you can keep this side, you know, you're not ruining it. And then we've got this pattern here as well. Do all your patterns inside with a nice little arrow look, and you've got your grid references there. So that repeats itself all the way through the whole book then. You've got loads in there to draw. That's going to keep you busy for a good time. And then at the back, we've got some examples there if you want to copy those examples. And there's like a little thank you page. I've done at the back there as well. That looks so nice. I'm well impressed with that. That looks so good. That's one of my patterns that I've drawn. I've put on the front cover. There we have it, everyone. The Easy Mandala art book. Absolutely, I'm so chuffed with that. That is absolutely brilliant. Absolutely love it. So good. You can pick it out from the Amazon store. There's a link in my bio. Check it out. Thanks for watching. And here is that book. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely love this book. The cover of it is absolutely amazing. Back cover as well. The pages inside, you've got nice big pages in here for you to do your mandala work. You know, we've got some new templates in here as well now, so you can do your half mandala drawings. You've got your grid patterns. I mean, check this out. You've got your grid patterns on here as well, so you can practice any of your grid work, you know, any of the petals that we've been doing on my channel as well. I've got the playlist of doing the petals, so you can practice doing those on here. And we've got some other different templates all the way through the book. There is absolutely, I think there's like 15 pages, 15 of these patterns, 15 of the other patterns. So there's 15 pages of each one of these. Going to keep you a good amount of pages in there. There are playlists on my YouTube channel for you to follow along, drawing any of these patterns or the Mandala works and the grid reference drawings on here as well. So you can pick this book up from the Amazon store. The link is in the description below. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing some live videos on here now as well, drawing from this book. It's either going to be on YouTube or I'm going to be doing it on my TikTok as well. So you can check those out. There will be plenty of time for when I so when I advertise, when I promote it as well, when I promote that I'm going to be going live, you'll be able to check that out and see me working in one of these books. But what we're going to be doing today, I'm going to be doing a competition. So it's competition time for you to win one of my books. You can win this book, which is also signed by myself. So all you got to do to win this book is subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and comment "done" in the comment section below. Once you have done that, next week I'll put everybody's name into a hat, draw that person's name out, and the lucky winner will win this book. So to win this book, all you got to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment "done," and share this video as well. All your names, everyone that does that, I'll put your names in a hat and draw out a lucky winner next week. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out and good luck.